So guys, as you can see, I have here in this pot some eggs with water. And so right now I'm going to turn the stove on, and I'm gonna put that between medium and high. And so I'm gonna leave the eggs to boil for at least 10 minutes, and I'll be right back. So guys, now that the eggs are finished boiling, I transfer from the stove to this area, and so I'm gonna remove the eggs to this container that I have here with cold water. And what the cold water does, basically, it will help the eggs to peel properly, very smoothly. So I'm removing them one by one, guys. And so you don't want to be holding a hot egg. That's a dreadful heat. And now that they're in the cold water, I'm gonna let that stand for like a minute, and then I will start peeling my eggs. So guys, now that the eggs are cooled down, I'm just gonna throw off the water, then I'll be peeling my eggs. See how firm that is? See, nice hard boiled egg. Look at that. Ooh, just like that, guys. See, nicely peeled, perfectly peeled. And I just transfer to this container here. It's very it's like therapy for me. Nicely peeled. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfectly peeled. So guys, there you have it. The finished product. Yes, that's my flour, my egg flour, as you can see. If you like it, guys, leave a comment in the comment area. So what I did, I went ahead and I seasoned with a little salt and black pepper, and garnish with scallion. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Leave a like, share, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. See you. Bye.